Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today we're taking a closer look at the Apple iPhone 15 Plus silicone case with MagSafe in the stunning winter blue color. If you want to keep your iPhone 15 Plus safe and stylish, this is the case for you. The silky, soft touch finish of the silicone exterior feels fantastic in your hand, and the soft microfiber lining on the inside provides even more protection for your device. But the real magic happens with the built-in magnets that perfectly align with the iPhone 15 Plus, providing a seamless and secure attachment experience every time. Plus, it allows for faster wireless charging, so you can power up without ever taking the case off. Designed and tested by Apple, this case not only looks great, but is also built to protect your iPhone from scratches and drops. It undergoes thousands of hours of testing throughout the design and manufacturing process, so you can trust that your device is in good hands. Compatible exclusively with the iPhone 15 Plus, this winter blue silicone case with MagSafe is a must-have for anyone looking to enhance both the style and functionality of their phone. So if you're ready to keep your iPhone safe and stylish, click the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing case today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and recommendations.